Hello students. So in this video we'll discuss some more multiple choice questions which are expected in the competitive examinations like CET and NEET. So I'll choose here from 12th onwards. So in previous class also we have discussed from the same topic, that is so this is chapter number 2, classification, that is biological classification, chapter number 2. From this, so we have to discuss some questions here. So I'll take here the 12th onwards, that is I'll read out the question here now. The old name of blue green algae. So here you can observe there are four options here. Old name of blue green algae. Here option first, cyanobacteria, that is option A, cyanobacteria. Option, this is the cyanobacteria, and Mixophyceae, spectrum algae, none of these. So actually in previous name, that means the old name, actually the blue green algae, BZA we can say, this is also referred as BZA. So this BZA, blue green algae, also called cyanobacteria, but they are asking here old name. So old name when we consider, so that answer is here B. The option is B, Mixophyceae, right? So Cyanophyceae is also there. So Mixophyceae, you should remember this one. So this is what the old name. And the same question with the different answers here. So new name is also asked here in the 13th question. So you can observe, take the 13th, new name of blue green algae, BZA, right? So chlorella, spirulina, cyanobacteria, right? So here the no doubt, so these are the cyanobacteria, right? So these are the of course these are all algae, but these are not blue green algae. So chlorella and spirulina, so none of these is also given, but the new name when we consider the blue green algae, at present we are calling it as the cyanobacteria, right? The answer is cyanobacteria. Here option B for 12th, and for 13th question the option C is the right. Okay, so next we'll take one more question. So that is, which of the following found in harsh habitat? Harsh habitat, yes, which of the following found in harsh habitat? Harsh habitat means which is so uncomfortable and there is no organisms can survive. So actually the meaning, but so in that kind of environment also some bacteria can survive. So that is what they are asking here, that is which of the following, so which of the following found in harsh habitat. So that is eubacteria is given, so and cyanobacteria, archibacteria, so that is archibacteria, none of these. So here the eubacteria, these are the so called true bacteria, we can say eubacteria. Cyanobacteria, as we seen previously, BZA, blue green algae, so they can found anywhere. So archibacteria are actually found in, so that is archibacteria found in hot springs. So especially these bacteria can survive in that harsh habitat or thermal vents. In such type of habitats also, in that kind of habitats also archibacteria can survive. So that's what the answer will be, C. That is answer is C. So you can choose here the answer C, that is option C is right for the 14th question. That is harsh habitat means you may consider either it is so uh, thermal vents or saltwater slide. So actually these are the, yes, the harsh habitat. Harsh, in harsh habitat archaebacteria can survive, right? So next we'll go for the 15th. Which of the following is aerobic in nature? Aerobic in nature means so they are producing usually oxygen. Aerobic means they are using the oxygen. Yes, yes, the 15th one is which of the following is aerobic in nature? Aerobic means which needs the oxygen for their metabolic activity. So actually here options are halophiles, methanogens, thermoacidophils, and none of these. So out of these options we should know the meaning of this one. Halophils means salt loving, methanogens, so thermoacidophils, so actually methanogens which produces the methane and which are found in the gut of most of the animals. Next, thermoacidophils means which are found in the thermal vents. So here aerobic is aerobic means which needs the oxygen. So that what the halophiles, so halophiles are salt loving we can say. So the option A is the right here, halophiles, right? The 15th one, which of the following is aerobic in nature? That is option A is the right. Yes, you can choose one more question here, 16th one, that is yes, which of the pigment present in cyanobacteria? So cyanobacteria means blue green algae. So blue green algae has different type of pigments. So in that the here options are also given, that chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C. So usually these are found in algae also, other eukaryotic and higher algae. So even in the plants, right? And xanthophylls may also observed in the plants, right? But the pigment present in cyanobacteria, so actually the chlorophyll A, here option chlorophyll A is right answer. So and even along with this there may be a presence of xanthophylls and but not exactly xanthophyll. So that is the type. Xanthophylls are less in comparatively. The highest one we have to choose because the options, further options are not there. So that's why. So we should choose chlorophyll A is highest. Chlorophyll A, and even zeaxanthin or mixoxanthophil. So such other additional chromoproteins may also present. So uh, we have to choose here according to these options. The chlorophyll A is the right answer for 16th question. So next we go for the 17th question. The colonies of eubacteria is surrounded by polysaccharide sheath, gelatinous sheath, and mucus sheath, and none of these. So out of these options, so here three options are given and even also the D option, none of these. So colonies of eubacteria is surrounded by, so actually the secreting the gelatinous sheath, they are secreting the gelatinous substance, and so which forms a sheath like structure around the that colonies of eubacteria. So that's why we have to choose the right answer is gelatinous sheath. So it's a visually gel-like substance which is found around the colonies of eubacteria. So that's why we can choose the 17th for this 17th question. B is the right option. Yes, we can take the next question, that is 18th question, which of the following shows pendulum movement and fix atmospheric nitrogen, which is also involved in the fixing the nitrogenic atmospheric nitrogen, right? So here nostoc is given, Anabaena, Oscillatoria and rhodospirillum, right? So four options are whatever given here: nostoc, Anabaena, Oscillatoria and rhodospirillum. So these are all belongs to the bacteria, that is what we called blue green algae, that is cyanobacteria, right? So these are cyanobacteria which are involved in the nitrogen fixation, but the Oscillatoria, nostoc is also filamentous, Anabaena is also filamentous. Almost all these are filamentous, but rhodospirillum is also filamentous. But the spring-shaped structure, what you called rhodospirillum, the cells are the spring-like. So right, the coiled-shaped cells will be present here. So and Oscillatoria, these are the filaments, what we call trichomes. So the trichomes are oscillating like a pendulum, right? So that's why we have to choose the option here. C is the right option here for this question. Which of the following shows pendulum movement? The pendulum movement, the pendulum movement, and one more what they are which is involved in the fix the atmospheric nitrogen. So oscillatory is also involved in the fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Even nostoc is also there, but so pendulum movement is showing by oscillatory. Hence the name oscillation of the pendulum, oscillation. So hence the name is oscillatoria, right? So in this way we have to choose the option C, right? And so next question is 19th. Which of these is a, or which of these are a bacterial diseases? So here bacteria, the chlorella is not actually disease name. So chlorella are actually a single celled green algae. This chlorella is there, no? They are single celled green algae. And measles are caused by virus, right? So bacterial disease they are asking, which of these is a bacterial disease, right? So here citrus canker is a disease caused by bacterium, citrus canker. And the option D is given here, A and C. Yes, here the chlorella is actually single celled green algae. Measles are caused by virus, so we call those are actually morbillivirus. So and here the option we can choose citrus canker, so which cause the citrus fruits, and by actually the uh, Xanthomonas, the bacteria name citrus canker is caused by Xanthomonas, right? So this is what the option C we can choose here. So 19th, option C is the right answer here. Chlorella is not a disease name, so it is a single celled green algae, chlorella. So next, the citrus canker is the name of a disease. That disease comes to citrus lemon plants, and that is actually caused by Xanthomonas bacteria. They are asking here bacterial disease, but measles also disease is there, but these are caused by viral diseases. So and both A and C is given. A is not a disease name, so that's why, so you have to choose the citrus canker is the right answer, right? So next we will go. Yes, here who is the next question, that is 20, question number 20. Who is the joker of plant kingdom? So actually here the mycoplasm, chlorella Chlamydomonas, spirulina. All these are given algae. Chlorella is also single-celled algae. Chlamydomonas is algae. Spirulina is also algae. So single-celled almost. So mycoplasm is actually blue-green algae. So which is a bacterium. So, but it shows that the pleomorphism, that is called pleomorphism. So due to pleomorphism, so it is called the joker of plant kingdom, right? Pleomorphism means actually, so it has no cell wall like uh, plants, but there is some other structures. So it shows that the different what we called histology, and even also variability in the size, shape, and when you stain it, the in a there is a staining of cells, and the nuclei are different, which is variable, right? So that's why the it is having different what you called the histology, and even their morphology, right? So that is what we call it as mycoplasm is called joker of plant kingdom, right? So in the next class we'll choose some other questions. Thank you, students.